Hi, welcome back to Daydreams of Quilts on YouTube. Today I am making the Roosting Hen oven mitt that came with that kit that I got from Annie's Kit Clubs. And I previously had made the oven mitt. I'll link to that video in the description below. But today I'm going to be making this Roosting Hen. We're going to get started on that. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. And we'll get going on this Roosting Hen. Okay, so I've cut out my pattern pieces, and the first thing I need to do is trace the hen onto the feathers print. So I'm just going to trace with a friction pen. Okay, so now I've layered with insulated batting. This is Insul Bright, cotton batting, and then the red spots are right side up and the feathers are wrong side up. So now I'm just going to sew all the way around both of the hen shapes. Okay, so the chickens are turned right side out, and now I have the remaining dotted fabric folded right sides together with a layer of batting, and I am going to trace the wings and the comb. Okay, so those are traced. Now I'm just going to sew around each shape and cut them out, and I'm going to leave openings to turn them right side out, and then we'll be ready to put our hen together. Okay, so I've turned all the shapes and I used a chopstick to get into these little corners. So I am now ready to just top stitch these little wings onto the hens, and then I'm going to sew both of these together like this, and I'll have the little comb in the top. And there we go. I just put a couple little beads for eyes, and I had left her wings free to flap, but you can sew them down if you want. So then you just use her like this to grab a hold of a hot pot lid. So there we go. Okay, well, thanks for sewing along with me. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. And I will put a link in the description below to Annie's Kit Club below, and it is an affiliate link. But if you'd like to help me out with making more YouTube videos, that would be great if you'd click that and consider purchasing through my link. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.